Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Honor 400 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So this process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So to reboot this device, we need to first open up the power menu. To do it, we need to use the 2-button combination. We need to tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And then the power menu will appear. So let's perform that action. Simply tap both of those buttons. Now as you can see, the power menu has launched. Now all you need to do is to tap on the restart button. Now touch once more. As you can see, now the screen went black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Also, I will tell you that performing a simple reboot is good for your device from time to time, of course, because when you reboot your phone, you close the processes that are still running in the background. You also free up the RAM, and it might help with the performance of your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.